Barbengo is a small village on the border of the Swiss pre-Alps, close to the city of Lugano. A few minutes walking distance from the village center, we enter a place known as Roccolo. Crossing abandoned pasture lands and a cemetery, the hidden gem is surrounded by a thick forest. Lake Lugano can be seen by following a path between a vineyard and old calcareous terraces largely covered with grass. These towers are typical for this region and are known as caselli. They were used as watchtowers to hunt breeding birds, but since being a major threat for migratory flying fauna, this traditional hunt has been forbidden since 1875. Today, the nearby winery is leasing the ground from a regional government. They decided to plant specific varieties, like Merlot and Chardonnay, apparently suitable for the sandy, clayey, and dolomitic soils of this particular habitat. They rely on integrated farming, an European agricultural standard which aims to use chemicals and fertilizers as little as possible. Old chestnut trees standing beside the road, dry stone walls, the reptiles, mosses, fungi, fern species, and other understory plants hidden in the shadow are boosting the ecological value of this area. But the principal factor ensuring biodiversity are these long grassland corridors across the grapevines. In addition to that, the distribution of the vineyard is not causing serious fragmentation issues, which is beneficial for the ecology of the area. Most importantly, continuous maintaining by cutting of the grass bit by bit is sustaining the reproduction of butterflies, hoverflies, and a large number of other insects as well. But there is a quiet threat right behind the scenes. The nearby sprawl of invasive species in the neighborlands, more precisely Ailanthus, Robinia, Phytolacca, and the annual fleabane, all listed by the National Monitoring Program, are expanding dramatically. Effective measures are needed to prevent biodiversity loss, especially on these disused pasture lands. The roccolo ecosystem is an incredibly good example for sustainable land use. Economic income is combined with integration of the indigenous species, giving the local inhabitants enough room for recreational activities.